So you are in need of a travel checklist. Well, you are in luck. I have a very good one here, so let's get started. Here in this video, we will cover everything for stress-free trips. So get your notebook out and mark this video to watch it several times. Yes, the importance of stress-free trips. Here is your complete checklist for stress-free traveling. Planning a trip can be exciting, but it can also be overwhelming and stressful if you're not adequately prepared. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or embarking on a long-awaited vacation, having a checklist to ensure a stress-free trip is essential. In this video, we'll provide you with a comprehensive guide to help you plan and execute your trip smoothly, from start to finish. Traveling should be a time of relaxation and enjoyment, a chance to escape the daily grind and explore new places. However, without proper planning, unexpected challenges can arise, causing unnecessary stress. By following this checklist, you can minimize potential issues and make the most of your travel experiences. 1. Preparing for the trip. Before setting off on your journey, it's important to do some research and make necessary arrangements. Start by researching your destination to gather information about its culture, attractions, and local customs. This will help you plan your activities and make the most of your time there. Next, create a travel itinerary that outlines the places you want to visit and the activities you wish to engage in. Booking accommodations and transportation in advance is crucial to ensure a smooth trip. Consider factors like location, amenities, and budget when selecting your accommodation. Similarly, book your flights, trains, or other means of transportation early to secure the best deals. Lastly, create a packing list of essentials, including clothing appropriate for the weather, toiletries, medication, and any other items you'll need during your trip. 2. Managing travel documents. To avoid any last-minute complications, ensure that your travel documents are in order. Check the expiration date of your passport and make sure it's valid for the duration of your trip. If you need a visa, research the requirements and apply well in advance. Travel insurance is another important consideration. It provides coverage for medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and lost belongings. Additionally, make digital copies of important documents like your passport, travel insurance policy, and itinerary. Store them securely in your email or cloud storage so they can be easily accessed in case of any emergencies. 3. Health and safety precautions. Taking care of your health while traveling is essential. Check if any vaccinations are recommended or required for your destination and schedule appointments accordingly. Pack a well-stocked first aid kit with essential items like Band-Aids, pain relievers, and any prescription medications. Research local healthcare facilities and emergency numbers at your destination so you know where to go in case of any medical issues. Additionally, familiarize yourself with local safety precautions and common scams to avoid any unpleasant experiences. 4. Money matters. To ensure a stress-free trip, it's crucial to plan your finances wisely. Set a travel budget that includes expenses for accommodation, transportation, meals, activities, and souvenirs. Consider using a budgeting app to track your expenses during the trip. Before leaving, check the currency exchange rates and decide how you'll handle your money abroad. Inform your bank and credit card companies about your travel plans to avoid any disruptions in card usage. It's also wise to carry some emergency cash in case of unforeseen circumstances. 5. Communication and connectivity. Staying connected while traveling can be important for various reasons. Research international roaming plans offered by your mobile service provider, or consider purchasing a local SIM card at your destination for more affordable communication options. Download useful travel apps such as translation tools, currency converters, and local maps to assist you during your trip. Don't forget to stay in touch with your loved ones back home. Use messaging apps or social media platforms to share updates and photos, giving them peace of mind about your well-being. 6. Transportation and navigation. Understanding transportation options at your destination is crucial for getting around hassle-free. Research local public transportation systems like buses, trains, or metros, and familiarize yourself with their routes and schedules. If you prefer more flexibility, consider renting a car or using ride-sharing services. To navigate unfamiliar places easily, download offline maps and navigation apps on your mobile device. This way, you won't have to rely on an internet connection to find your way. 7. Accommodation tips. Choosing the right type of accommodation plays a significant role in your overall travel experience. Consider factors like location, safety, and amenities when making your selection. Read reviews and check ratings of hotels or vacation rentals to get a sense of their quality. And customer experiences. Communication with your host or hotel is essential. Reach out to them before your trip to confirm your reservation and discuss any special requests or requirements. Lastly, prioritize your safety and security by choosing accommodations that have positive reviews in these aspects. 8. Packing strategies. Packing efficiently can save you time, effort, and stress during your trip. Make a packing list that includes all the essentials you'll need, and check items off as you pack them. To maximize luggage space, roll your clothes instead of folding them, and use packing cubes or compression bags. Packing light is highly recommended, especially for longer trips. Consider the weather conditions at your destination and choose versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched. Don't forget to include essential items like chargers, adapters, and travel-sized toiletries. 9. Traveling with kids or pets. If you're traveling with children, it's important to prepare them for the trip to minimize any disruptions. Involve them in the planning process, discuss the itinerary, and explain what to expect during the journey. Pack necessary supplies like snacks, entertainment, and comfort items to keep them occupied and comfortable. If you're traveling with pets, research the rules and regulations of your destination regarding pet travel. Ensure they are up to date on vaccinations and consider their comfort and safety during the journey. Familiarize yourself with pet-friendly accommodations, parks, and facilities at your destination. 10. Time and weather considerations. Before your trip, check the local weather forecast for your destination. This will help you pack appropriate clothing and plan activities accordingly. If you're traveling to a different time zone, consider adjusting your sleep schedule a few days in advance to minimize jet lag. 11. Cultural etiquette and local customs. Respecting local customs and cultural norms is essential when traveling to different countries. Research the traditions and etiquette of your destination to avoid inadvertently offending anyone. Learn a few basic phrases in the local language to show appreciation and make communication easier. 12. Entertainment and activities. Part of having a stress-free trip is enjoying the local attractions and activities. Research the must-visit landmarks, museums, and natural sites at your destination. Try local cuisine and immerse yourself in the local culture by attending events or festivals happening during your visit. 13. Dealing with travel stress. Even with careful planning, travel stress can still occur. It's important to practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or listening to soothing music. Take regular breaks during your trip to rest and rejuvenate. Remember to approach unexpected situations with a calm and flexible mindset, and embrace them as part of the adventure. This brings us to our conclusion. By following this complete checklist, you can significantly reduce travel-related stress and ensure a smooth and enjoyable trip. Remember to plan ahead, stay organized, and embrace the journey with a positive and open mindset. Traveling should be a time of relaxation, exploration, and creating lasting memories. So, pack your bags, embark on your stress-free trip, and make the most of your travel experiences.